All right, the National Weather Service still isn't saying just how strong of a tornado formed last night above Lovelady, Texas. Cell phone video shows the funnel, which went on to hurt one woman and damage 3 mobile homes. The high school also damaged. A lot of active severe weather southwest of us. You would think with the big temperature contrast we had going on, we might have had a shot at some severe weather. We did see some gusty winds this morning. We'll show you some of those numbers, but most of the action was confined to areas south of us over the past 24 hours. And yesterday you were wearing shorts and enjoying some nice summer-like weather. Well, you better find the winter coat by late this evening. We'll be dropping back into the upper 30s. Wind chill factors by then heading down to about 30 degrees. And we will see some rain around the area through the evening hours. Past midnight, especially between about the hours of 2 and 4 in the morning, we're going to see a transition to a mix and then eventually over to all snow, and still some snow showers possible early in the day tomorrow at 8 o'clock. A temperature reading of 30, and there could be some slick spots too. But by lunchtime, the clouds breaking 35, and we'll be up around 39 at 5 o'clock. Well below normal though. Overnight low temperatures upper 20s to low 30s across the Miami Valley, with a colder weather off to our west and northwest. And then look at the high temperatures tomorrow, only into the upper 30s to near 40, and those kind of values are going to be running 20 to 25 degrees below normal here across the Buckeye State as we're right back into that weather pattern we had most of the winter. Speaking of those wind gusts, check out Springfield. A peak gust this morning of 50 miles per hour, and there was some minor wind damage here and there around the region last night because of the strong winds in the wee hours of the morning. 39 top wind in Beaver Creek and 46 for a peak wind gust out in Eaton. And tonight we're seeing our winds turning to the northwest now, bringing in that colder air. Can you find the cold front? Right there it is along that wind shift line. South-southwest winds ahead of the front, turning to the northwest behind it. So we're going to pull in the colder air, and then a little wave of low pressure is going to slide up on that front and bring us more rain tonight. Eventually that chance of some snow. Now we're not seeing a lot of precipitation right now over Montgomery County, but south of us some rain showers along Interstate 71, Lebanon up to Waynesville, extending northeastward up into Greene County. Otherwise you can see a lot of the area right now dry, but looking off to our south and west, here comes our next surge of rain that'll be heading up over the area late this evening, and then back in the colder air, some light to moderate snow being reported out through Missouri and Illinois. The temperature is coming down now with that wind shift in the front moving through. 54 degrees, a northwest wind at 14 miles an hour, a wind chill down to 50 now. Readings much cooler to the west of us, 45 at Salina, 46 at Richmond, and still holding on to the mid-60s, low to mid-60s to our south and east, but not much longer with that front moving through. Upper 30s and low 40s already out through Indiana. Let's check out our future track forecast model. The rain surging in later this evening, and then we'll have that rain around overnight. Here comes the cold air, the blue on the map showing the snow that'll be flying as we head towards tomorrow morning, and then that'll swing on off to the east, and then we'll have chilly conditions in the wake of that front. At least it will dry out tomorrow, even a little sunshine returning. So rain changing to snow tonight. Could see an inch or two of accumulation around the Miami Valley, mainly on the grass and elevated surfaces. Breezy and much colder as we head down to 30. Snow ending early in the day tomorrow, then clouds mixed with afternoon sun will be up around 40. There are your temperatures tomorrow. Not much rise. Chilly day on the way. And our Storm Team 2's 7-day forecast. Wednesday's high 54, but the big story Wednesday morning, a hard freeze is likely. A quick warm up though, back into the 60s for Thursday and Friday.